In order to make Google Docs even more easier to use, you can enable the accessibility settings. And to do that, you can go to Tools, and then you go to Accessibility Settings right here, and you can turn on all the features as per you like. But accessibility does not work on its own. You need some plugins installed. For example, over here, if you were to go to Speak, the Speak does not function because there is no necessary extension installed in. But over here, there are some other things, like there's headings right over here, just like that. There's like navigation towards next graphics right here, as you can see, which will work just fine. So I can go on to next graphics, and it'll just go on to next graphics, just like that. You can also go around into links. If there are links on the document, then if you were to press next link, it'll go on to that part. You can navigate to specific tables. You can navigate to next formatting right here, and you can see that it just changes out and navigates onto that particular formatting. But let's seek this feature right here, like on the Speak. Let's enable the Speak, and to do that, you need to install this plugin called Chromevox. So once I install this out, once I add this to Chrome or any other Chromium-based browser, the accessibility setting for Speak will start working.
Alert.
So now it's been added in,
Window
and
Chromevox
now
Classic
there's
Extension
like a
Chrome
background
Web
voice
Store
which
tab.
just speaks as I click on it. So I'm just going to
Document
go over
content.
here and then select
Text
the project
box
browser,
multi-line.
and then go to accessibility,
Menu expanded with submenu.
go to Speak, and then click on Speak selection.
Title. Document content. Text box multi-line. Product brochure.
Okay, so it does take a bit of time, but it reads it out. So that is how it works. But usually I
Alert.
find this annoying, so I'm just going
Extensions.
to remove this out. So I'm just going to
3 of
remove this
5.
from Chrome itself. And that is how the accessibility actually works out, just like that. So you can go around and even show live edits. Like if any other collaborators are editing live, then it'll show right here as well. And that is how you can use the accessibility settings inside of Google Docs. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.